Writing an award-winning screenplay is a complex and creative endeavor that requires careful planning, storytelling skill, and a deep understanding of the craft. While there's no guaranteed formula for success, here's a general outline of the process: idea generation. Start with a unique and compelling idea that resonates with both you and potential audiences. This could be a high-concept premise, an intriguing character, a fascinating setting, or a thought-provoking theme. Concept development. Expand your idea into a full-fledged concept by fleshing out the plot, characters, and themes. Consider the central conflict, character arcs, and the emotional journey you want the audience to experience. Depending on the subject matter, conduct thorough research to ensure authenticity and depth in your storytelling. This could involve reading books, watching documentaries, or interviewing experts. Outline structure. Create a detailed outline or story structure to map out the major plot points, turning points, and character arcs. This provides a roadmap for your screenplay and helps maintain a coherent narrative. Character development. Develop well-rounded and relatable characters with distinct personalities, motivations, and flaws. The audience should connect with and invest in their journeys. Writing the first draft. Start writing your screenplay's first draft, focusing on getting the story down without worrying too much about perfection. Don't be afraid to experiment and explore different scenes and dialogue, while writing and revising. After completing the first draft, take a break and then revisit your screenplay with fresh eyes. Revise and refine the plot, characters, dialogue, and pacing. Each subsequent draft should aim to improve upon the previous one. Feedback. Share your screenplay with trusted friends, peers, or writing groups to receive constructive feedback. This external perspective can help identify strengths and weaknesses you might have missed. Polish and fine-tune the screenplay based on the feedback you've received. Focus on clarity, dialogue, authenticity, emotional resonance, and a well-paced narrative. Formatting. Ensure your screenplay adheres to industry-standard formatting guidelines. Proper formatting is crucial for readability and indicates your professionalism as a writer. Title. Choose a compelling and relevant title that captures the essence of your screenplay. Proofreading. Carefully proofread your screenplay for grammatical errors, spelling mistakes, and formatting issues. A polished and error-free script reflects your attention to detail. Persistence. Understand that the journey to writing an award-winning screenplay can be challenging. Rejections and setbacks are part of the process. Stay persistent. Continue honing your skills and keep writing new projects. Remember that while following these steps can enhance your chances, writing is still a subjective art form. Winning awards depends on a combination of talent, hard work, timing, and grace.